Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can create filters and how to sort data in Google Sheet. Alright, I have added data here and I'm just going to create the filters. How to just select the column you want to add the filters. For example, select the column A, B, C and go to data, select the create a filter. So filter has been created and how you can sort the data, and you can see isn't sequential, and I'm just going to sort. Just select the filter icon here and select the ascending A to Z or descending Z to A. Select the ascending here, so it's sequential and the year and people are following the country. Alright, it's so simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for